Alright guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in this video now, I want to show us how to thread our English trouser that for two-piece. Now most of us are having issues on the pocket area. So this is my pocket point. I have to place my lining underneath as you can see, then threaded across the folded edge, and then I will notch that point just that way, then raise it up this way and cut off the lining points. I'll cut them off to these very points, and then I will fold this backwards this way, and then start from there to sew. So thread all through that point. Make sure your threading is straight enough. So from that area, so from that point, and then cut your threads as shown this way. And then the next thing to do is to open it up from there and thread inside pocket points. So thread inside pocket area, cut the threads as usual, then bring your pocket facing and place it inside this very way. Then bear in mind, you can either fold this or you weave it. But folding is preferable in such situation because it gives you a neater finishing. Then start from there and fold all along that cozy area, fold all along, unfolding, don't be in a haste, carefully fold all through this way and make sure the folding is as neat as possible. So after which is what we have, then fold backwards, then start from the downside and thread all through this way, thread all through this way, thread all through this way, then give it a notch at that point, then cut the downside all through this way. So this is how to fix a pocket, right? So this method goes to all types of trousers, both for English trouser, Ankara trouser, and your two-piece trouser. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, and also let me know how impactful this video might have been to you. So if you're looking for how to fix a perfect pocket or trouser, this method is recommended, is ideal. So don't forget to watch it severally before you um, practice yours. I'll also show you guys how to fix the lining in this same video. Then fold the both edges this way and then arrange it properly. Arrange it properly that way. Then the stitch. Then the stitch. Cut the threads. Cut the threads. Then you lock the upside, making sure that you replicate whatever measurement you use in the notching, which was 2.5. So you measure 2.5 and replace 2.5. Then you stitch the upside at the up area, thread it also to the very points, thread also to the very points. Then after this, you're going to now cut out the excesses. Cut it out from there. Make sure your hand is straight enough. and then this is what you have. So this is how to fix your front pocket, right? So I'll also show you guys how to fix the lining. So the lining has already been cut, which was a bit bigger than the main trouser, right? So I've also made some other videos on this. You can swear what you go and look for it, watch it, and learn how the lining was cut. And make sure you follow the same procedure in doing yours. So the lining will be placed from this point. Make sure that the lining fancy area is faced outside, that's facing up, and it's not facing inside. Then start threading from the up area. Now, because the lining was cut in an excess form, I am making the lining to be pleating it at the midpoint of the trouser. Now, this pleating will help you to have the lining give the trouser room for easy movements and comfort, so it doesn't contract the trouser width or the body measurement. So after this now, the next thing to do is to thread all round it, thread all around it, thread all around it. So thread all around the lining and make sure that the crotch area is properly arranged. Make sure that the crotch area is properly arranged. So once it's arranged, you thread all through to the very end. Arrange it as well from the crotch points. Thread it all through to that very point as well. So we have attached the lining from that direction. So cut off the threads and the excesses. Now the next to do is to log the side lining area. So I believe this video must have given you an insight on how to fix your front pocket and fix your lining on your trouser without having much problems, right? So this is how it's been done. So you log the side lining as well. So you have to carefully do this, lock it all through that very point. So you log the lining size all along. This is the one of the importance of learning from me. I try to show you everything because to fix lining might be easy for you or for me, but to some people it's not easy. So that's the reason I am taking my time to do all of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in my next subsequent video on how to sew. So don't forget to like, share, and comment as well. Bye bye for now.